Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about what is hyaluronic acid, 3 ways that you can use it to help hydrate your skin, and how it can turn down the clarity on those pesky fine lines around your eyes. I live in Los Angeles and I've been really wanting to go to the beach lately due to all the warm weather that we're having. I like to keep up to date on skincare and the market for you guys so that I can make recommendations based on specific ingredients to look for when you guys come to me with questions. Now, I've been trying out a couple of sunscreens and some of them have been leaving my skin feeling a bit dry. I don't know if you can see a little bit of flakiness on my forehead here. So my solution has been to apply a small amount of moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it to prep or hydrate and plump my skin cells before I apply it. A little bit of background about what is hyaluronic acid. It's also found in ingredient labels as its smaller cousin, sodium hyaluronate. Now, hyaluronic acid, or HA, as we refer to it, is made by our bodies to keep our tissues lubricated and moist. HA is an important structural molecule in the extracellular matrix of our skin. And HA is a linear polysaccharide, which is just a chain of sugars bonded together. It's found in our eyes, in our skin, and our connective tissue. Now, your body contains about 15 grams of hyaluronic acid, and 1/3 of that is something that you turn over every single day. Now, let's talk about why and how you would use hyaluronic acid. Now, HA is used therapeutically in skincare. It's used to help maintain skin hydration, and it smooths the texture of your skin, as well as reducing visibly fine lines and wrinkles. Now, there's 3 ways that you can increase the amount of hyaluronic acid in your skin. The first one is injectables. I used to work at Allergan and we produced an injectable called Juvederm, and it was a very popular product. Second is supplements. You can take HA as a supplement, with standard dosing being around 120 to 140 milligrams per day. This takes about 30 days to see results and should be coupled with our third method, which is applying topically hyaluronic acid as a humectant to your skin by way of your serum and moisturizer. Now, with topical application, you can sometimes see the effects within just a few minutes. Hyaluronic acid is a very large molecule. It binds 1,000 times its weight in water, depending on how big or long the molecule is. Now, this means it does not penetrate the skin. Instead, it sits on the skin's surface where it binds water, maintains hydration, and cross-links with other hyaluronic acid molecules to knit together and form a temporary barrier. Now, quick tip for HA. It can be paired with most other ingredients, but I would not recommend using it with other ingredients or other products that contain glycolic acid. It's fine to use with essential oils, with vitamins, in your other products, serums, and moisturizers, but glycolic acid will degrade hyaluronic acid, so don't use the 2 together. Now, I have included hyaluronic acid in Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer to make a rich night cream that combines the moisturizing benefits of hyaluronic acid with the nutrients and richness of shea butter and essential oils. If you'd like to try a 10-day supply of Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer, you can order it at organicradianceskincare.com, and I will buy your product if you pay for shipping. It's a calming sensory experience for you and your skin. Now, this is the full-size 50 ml of the Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer. The 10-day supply is a 5 ml size, and it ships easily via USPS. So now you know that hyaluronic acid is a star when it comes to skin hydration, smoothing your skin, and visibly reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I'm not just running a business. I am on a mission to help women feel beautiful and confident. This is why I want you to try Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer. I would like to have the opportunity to help you look and feel amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.